I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on money down here, you just click on it. When you just click here on money, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, you click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on options, list settings here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to columns here, you just click on it. So then here can you edit it for your volume here, or open end here, or delta. So here can you edit this here if you want to show it here or not here. If you want to show this, just click on here. So if you want to hit it, you click in this, then it's going to hit with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.